Investing may seem confusing at first, but it's one of the smartest ways to grow your money over time. This beginner's guide will help you understand the basics, choose the right investments, and avoid common mistakes. Whether you're starting with $10 or $1,000, this step-by-step guide makes it easy to begin your investing journey with confidence and clarity. In this video, we will talk about how to invest ultimate guide for beginners, so make sure to watch the full video. 1. What is investing? A simple explanation. Investing means using your money to buy something that you believe will grow in value over time. Instead of letting your money sit in a bank account, you can invest it in things like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds to help it grow. Think of investing like planting a seed. You're putting your money into something that can grow bigger in the future. Even if you start small, the goal is to build wealth slowly over time by making smart financial decisions. 2. Why should you start investing early? The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through something called compound interest. This means your money earns profits, and then those profits earn even more profits. Starting young gives you a huge advantage. Even small amounts can turn into large sums over many years. Plus, investing early helps build good money habits, reduces financial stress later in life, and gives you more freedom to retire, travel, or live comfortably. 3. Understanding different types of investments. There are many ways to invest, and each type has its own level of risk and reward. Stocks let you buy a share of a company and earn money if the company grows. Bonds are loans you give to a company or government, and they pay you interest. Real estate means buying property to rent or sell. Mutual funds and ETFs let you invest in a mix of many assets at once. Understanding how each one works helps you make smart choices that match your goals. 4. How much money do you need to start investing? You don't need a lot of money to begin investing. In fact, many apps and platforms let you start with as little as $5 or $10. Some even offer fractional shares, meaning you can buy just a small piece of a stock. It's more important to be consistent than to invest a large amount right away. Starting small and investing regularly helps build a habit, and over time, your money will grow. 5. Setting clear financial goals before you invest. Before you put your money into any investment, it's important to know what you're investing for. Are you saving for a house? Retirement? A child's education? Each goal may need a different strategy. Short-term goals need safer investments, while long-term goals can handle more risk. Knowing your purpose helps you stay focused and avoid emotional decisions when markets go up or down. 6. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. What to choose? Choosing where to invest depends on your comfort with risk and your financial goals. Stocks offer high growth but can be risky. Bonds are safer but usually grow more slowly. Real estate can provide steady income through rent, but it requires more effort. Mutual funds and ETFs are great for beginners because they spread your money across many investments, lowering your risk. A balanced mix of different investments, called a portfolio, is usually the best approach. 7. How to create a beginner investment plan. A good investment plan starts with your goals, how much risk you can handle, and how long you want to invest. Once you know those things, you can decide what types of investments are right for you. It's also important to set a monthly budget for how much money you'll invest. Your plan should be simple, easy to follow, and updated as your life changes. Don't worry about being perfect. Consistency and patience are what matter most. 8. Top investment platforms and apps for beginners today. Investing is easier than ever with user-friendly apps and websites. Popular platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, and Webull allow you to buy stocks and funds right from your phone. Some apps even offer education tools to teach you while you invest. Look for platforms with low fees, good customer support, and simple designs. Choose one that fits your needs and makes you feel confident managing your money. 9. Common mistakes to avoid when investing. Beginner investors often make mistakes that can hurt their financial growth. These include trying to get rich quickly, not doing enough research, investing all their money in one stock, or panicking when the market drops. Another common mistake is not being patient. Investing takes time. Always think long-term, stay calm during ups and downs, and avoid following trends without understanding them. Learning from others' mistakes can save you time and money. 10. Tips to stay safe and grow your wealth over time. To be a successful investor, you need to stay informed, avoid scams, and make smart, steady decisions. Keep learning about the market, review your plan regularly, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Use trusted platforms, diversify your investments, and stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. The most powerful tool in investing is time, so start early, stay consistent, and watch your money grow slowly but surely. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.